Namaste. Now we are going to do the Thattadavus which we are doing with legs. Before that, we have to figure it out. Three basic sitting postures. First, we have Sama. When your legs are together, it is called Sama. Now, you just open your legs and sit with tightening your core part. It is called Aramandi. Now you have to sit fully. It is called Muzhumandi. Now we are going to do Thattadavus. Thattadavus will do in Aramandi. So sit, just raise your leg and tap. 1. We will start with right leg and we'll continue with left one. 2. Now we will do it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is Thattadavu 1.